creamy lemon pesto shrimp. Creamy lemon pesto shrimp.
Sun is shining, but the rain is welcome too. Friends are nearby, don't need a...
Hi everyone, welcome back to Better with Brigetta. Today I'm making creamy lemon pesto shrimp. You're only going to need 8 ingredients for this recipe, 8. Grape or cherry tomatoes, lemon juice, milk, bucatini pasta, which I'm going to explain more about in just a minute, shrimp, olive oil, the pesto sauce mix, and Parmesan cheese. Bucatini resembles a thick spaghetti but with a hollow center known as the buca or hole, perfect for capturing every drop of sauce. Bucatini pairs best with rich tomato-based sauces, vegetables, and cheese. I used to make pesto from scratch, but when I'm in a pinch, this is so much faster and it's still delicious. So pick up a Knorr package and you'll find out too. I need 1 cup of the tomatoes cut in half if you haven't done that yet. Anything you can do ahead of time to make it go faster will definitely make it easier on you. These are beautiful tomatoes. If you want to, you could even cut them smaller. Some of these are a little big. You can cut it in 4ths. Maybe 1 more. And then we'll juice the lemon. There's our lemon. It calls for about 2 tablespoons, but half of a lemon should be just about right. Going to cook the shrimp till they're pink, but do not overcook them because you're going to have carryover cooking while they wait for the pasta to cook. My water is already boiling. We're ready for the pasta. Everything is going to go fast from here on in. I'm going to take the shrimp out and set them aside. You can see they're pink. They're not quite fully cooked. Now I'm going to add the milk. I'm going to also turn the temperature down a little bit and add the pasta sauce mix, the creamy pesto sauce mix. Stir that up. I want the sauce to thicken, and then we're going to add our last few ingredients, which are the tomatoes, the Parmesan cheese, and the lemon juice. The sauce is thickened, so now we're going to add our last few ingredients. Our beautiful tomatoes, our 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, and half a cup of Parmesan cheese. And this was freshly grated. And stir. After this, we'll just be waiting on our pasta. That looks beautiful. There we go. So give it a good stir to incorporate everything. I want everything coated. Our bucatini pasta is ready, fully cooked. Gonna let it drain right here, but do not get rid of the pasta water. We're gonna reserve probably about a cup for later or tomorrow if you have any left over. Okay. So the extra pasta water is if the sauce thickens overnight. That looks beautiful. That's just the way we want it to look.
All right, let's give this a taste.
Yes. Let's do it. I love bucatini pasta.
This is such a cool pasta. It's got these little tubes running down the middle of it. It's neat when you bite it. It's got a really cool... You're not supposed to bite it. You're supposed to suck it in.
Life goes up and it goes down. I know my mom taught me that. I figured why we fool around so little, and we keep track of time, being so serious, idiots, thinking it will matter, keep me company downtown before the clock runs out. Sun is shining, but the rain is welcome too. Friends are nearby, don't need another view. Time is not on my mind, but then it's you. Oh, I love it when the love comes around, and then I remember all things must pass. But I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. I'm not ready, let me have another day. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady, cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up. No, no, not yet.